I'm Mary Beth. I'm the home goods manager here at the Bruce Company. Today I wanted to talk to you about fire pit tables. Now, people are becoming more and more interested in having a fire pit table these days, more so than in the past few years. And there's some really great benefits to having a fire pit table. They provide warmth, light, and create a cozy ambiance in your outdoor space. And you might wonder, should I invest in one of these? Well, let's look at some of those qualities that are so nice to have. Now we're getting into the cooler season, and it's nice to have something outside to make that space be more livable during the fall season. When it gets chilly at night, you can, turn on your fire pit table, go out there with a snuggly blanket and a cup of hot cocoa or something like that, and then you can just really start to enjoy those evenings when it's still chilly and have that lovely ambiance of looking at the fire pit table. Most of our fire pit tables are about 55,000 to 65,000 BTUs, so it does put off a nice amount of heat. Another thing is most of them are very easy to use these days. They have manual ignitions with a battery-powered igniter. That makes it easier to turn on. They use a 20-pound LP tank that stores usually underneath the fire pit tables, which makes it nice too because you don't see it. And a lot of these can be also upgraded to a natural gas if you had natural gas hookup. Some of the other things I appreciate too are some of the safety measures that they've put into these fire tables these days. If it gets really windy, your flame goes out, it automatically shuts off so you don't have gas constantly coming out. So that's a nice safety feature. Another thing you can add are these optional wind screens. This keeps the wind from blowing things out. There's also great covers you can put over your tables to protect them from the elements. I also appreciate that many of the vendors we carry use the same fire pit inserts. So like the Crystal Fire Plus is used in several of our different vendors, and they have a nice 10-year stainless steel manufacturer warranty on them. They'll have warranty for a year on their ignition and electronics, 3 years on structure, but again, it depends on which vendor you're looking at. But we have many, some have concrete style. We also have some made with poly lumber. So there's lots of options, different sizes. So come see us at the Bruce Company if you're considering getting a fire pit.